We have just arrived in Cusco, and I kind of totally dropped the ball this morning on filming. We didn't do anything of our departure. We didn't film anything in the airport in Lima. The GoPro was actually in my bag and just inaccessible. So anyways, welcome to Cusco. We had a 1-hour flight. We were on Latam, and we just landed. It's about 9:15, 9:30ish, I think, and we're still waiting for Abby's bag. which hasn't come out yet. But all right, we got our bag. You ready? Welcome to Cusco. All right, let's go this way. You with me? All right. Well, we're leaving the airport now, and we're gonna look for a taxi stand. I read up online a little bit that we're gonna have to definitely barter with them to get a good price. It looks like we could have arranged a transfer, but we didn't think about that. So let's head, we're gonna head this way. But you ready for this?
Ready.
You look good. All right, found us a taxi. All right, what's your name?
Dennis.
Dennis?
Yes.
All right. We are relatively negotiated. I maybe could have gone a little harder on the price. But we got a taxi, and now we are heading into city center. We're gonna go to our hotel, get checked in, and maybe do some drone flying, and maybe get some food, some water, and get ready for our trip. So. We were told to help us acclimate to being at this high of an altitude to take a 2-hour break. How long? Rest for like 2 hours. How long did we rest?
Maybe an hour.
Not even an hour. So we're gonna go explore a little bit. We're both really hungry, so we're looking for a place to go eat. We're across, and then we're gonna go check out a couple of the plazas, and we've got a little bit of information on a market. We're gonna go check that out too. So basically we're ignoring everyone's advice and going out right now. So this is the street our hotel is on, and we're walking down this way. These are just these awesome old buildings. This is the way we're heading because of course, one of the things that you have to try when you're in Peru, and Abby is going to be a trooper and try it with me, is the cuy. And one of the best rated cuy restaurants we could find is up this street called Cuy Cuya, I think. So we're on our way to go find it. This is so we're walking, we're looking for this restaurant, and we're still, you know, sucking for oxygen right now. We're walking down this street, and Abby says to me, she goes, where the heck are you taking me? And then we get just to the street corner, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there's a little sign there that says Cusi Cuy restaurant, 10 meters. We're thinking, awesome, we're there. And then we come around this corner and find this ridiculously steep stairway. So wish us luck. If we don't survive, we'll let you know. Well, the survivor will let everyone know. We've arrived at Cusi Cuy. Typical dishes: roast guinea pig, fried guinea pig, some grilled alpaca kebabs. Are you ready for this?
We made it.
We made it like halfway.
Yeah.
Our cuy has arrived. This has been happy for the last like 30 minutes. He has a tomato hat as he is charging into battle. Apparently he's retrieved a chili for us. I'm ready. I don't think Abby's ready. Are you? I don't think Abby's ready. So we're just coming off of our post Kui experience. And like, okay, we'll get to Abby in a second, but I thought it was awesome. And I think it was like really crispy skin, and I know my Filipino friends would love that because of the crispy pork that I had in the Philippines. The meat was like the dark meat from a turkey when you got down to the good meat inside there. So all in, I thought it was really good. Now, for a more discerning review, Abby, how did you think the Kui was?
It was a very traumatic experience.
It was traumatic. Okay, so we've got traumatic and delicious. It's take it or leave it. Sort of. She's shaking her head no. I thought it was good. We just found ourselves a little market. All right, babe. Do you know that Cusco used to be the capital city of the Incas?
I did know that.
We did.
Yeah.
So a long time ago, all of this was part of the Incan Empire, right? I mean, not all of it. The cars weren't here, right? So the Incans were a very intelligent, forward-thinking people, aside from the human sacrifice, right? I wanted to show you something because we're in a really cool part of the city where their history is really like on display. You ready to see something?
Yeah.
The Incans, come with me. The Incans were so forward-thinking and progressive that even in their time, they had handicapped stones so that their people could access the sidewalks. Can you believe it? Come down here, look at this. See, it's a wheelchair shape. That's an Incan stone. What do you think? What do you?
Nick?
Yes.
I think you're wrong.
You don't think that's
No.
from the Empire?
Not at all.
No.
I think.
Because I mean, look, there's another one. Do you think that's wrong?
Yeah.
Huh.
I would tell people that.
I told you.
Yeah, you should know.
Feel a little judged right now. Feel a little judged. I'm serious. They had, you know how we had the ADA, the Americans with Disabilities Act? Theirs was the IDA, the Incans with Disabilities Act.
Oh.
Yeah. That required.
How
But-
did you find this out?
Well, I saw the stones and I thought that I was going to, I looked into it.
You looked into it.
I looked into it.